welcome to Tribe Talk. Good evening, everyone, and welcome to Tribe Talk. I'm Eva McCormick.
And I'm Mia Ulmer.
We are so excited to have you all here tonight and hope that it is a great night of seeing your students' schedules and meeting their teachers.
Tribe Talk usually covers lunch and weather first. We want to be sure to jump into tonight's schedule right away. The first half of the night is all of your students' odd day classes. First up is period 1 from 6 o'clock to 6:16. You will go straight to third period from there, which is from 6:20 to 6:28. Next, straight to fifth period from 6:32 to 6:40. And finally, sixth period is from 6:44 to 6:52. The second half of the night will follow your even day classes. Period 1 is 6:56 to 7:04. Period 3 is 7:08 to 7:16. Period 5 is 7:20 to 7:28. And period 6 is 7:32 to 7:40. Administration would like to remind you that each class is only 8 minutes. If you would like to schedule a private conference with your student's teacher, please speak with them or email them to set up a good time directly. Don't forget that parent-teacher conferences are coming up soon and will run the 2 nights before Thanksgiving break. Now, let's get into some updates here at UPHS. As you travel around the building tonight, there are some additional staff that you may like to meet. With a quick stop in the guidance office, you can meet our counselors, Mr. Scott Searfoss, Mr. John Gunning, Miss Leanne Legender, Miss Kimberly Kelly, and in the library, you can meet our librarian, Mrs. Danielle Hawthorne, and our Student Success Coordinator, Mrs. Megan Hoagland. You can find Mrs. Angela Traub, our College and Career Preparation Counselor, across the hall from the library in room 200. We would encourage you to take some time out of your night to go and see these important school figures.
We have had some exciting renovations for students and their teachers. The asbestos in various rooms in our school has been totally removed and schools have been refreshed. Some science classrooms still have missing pieces, but we are back up and running. Some policy changes have also been made for this school year. Students are not permitted to use their cell phones except during lunch and passing periods. Also, students' backpacks must be kept in their lockers during the school day. Finally, is this your first year using Schoology? If you are new to Schoology or would like to learn more, a UPSD video tutorial is available on the parent playlist found on our YouTube channel. The link can be found on the screen now. The video will go into detail about how to use Schoology along with what the teachers use it for. Keep updated on your students' life with Schoology. Now let's get into some upcoming events.
Homecoming is coming up and we are so excited to kick off the festivities. We have Spirit Days the entire week of homecoming. For the first time in over 5 years, our school's Link Crew Club hosted a major community bonfire here at the high school. It took place the Thursday before our annual homecoming game. Let's get an inside look on the event.
Guys, it's fall. Eva, don't fall. It's fall. Come to the community bonfire.
Link Crew is excited to host its second annual bonfire on Thursday, October 2nd from 6 to 9. You can expect to see some of the same food trucks we had last year. We're going to have a basket raffle, and we're really excited for another successful event this year.
Okay, I think everybody should come to the bonfire because there's really good food trucks. It's pretty cheap and it's just a good time.
The fire at the bonfire was crazy.
My family went and a lot of my friends' family went, and it was a great community event for everyone to gather and have a fun time.
We are so excited to put this event on again for all of you on the 2nd. The homecoming football game will take place on Friday, October 3rd. All are welcome to come to see the homecoming court walk the field, along with the crowning of the king and queen. Finally, on Saturday the 4th, the homecoming dance for students will take place at the high school from 6 to 9 p.m. The theme is Tangled, and the student council is excitedly preparing for the event. Mark your calendars for these events. Now let's get into our fall sports updates.
Field hockey has kicked off its season well with their first win over Quakertown on August 25th. Their senior night will take place on October 2nd. The football team had their first big win against Fleetwood on August 28th with a score of 35-7, along with their most recent win against Sun Valley. Girls and boys soccer are also busy with a lot of games this season. Girls tennis had their first win against Norristown. Boys golf is working hard and getting some wins in. Girls water polo is 1-1 and boys water polo is 0-2. Both boys and girls cross country teams are 1-0. Good luck to all teams this season.
That's all we have for tonight. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure to check out our Instagram account at Upper Perk News for updates and fun Tribe Talk content.
Just a reminder that you will be now heading to your students' first period odd day class.
Have a great night, everyone.